In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a header with Webflow easily. Whether you're a seasoned web designer or just starting out, creating a visually appealing and functional header is essential for your website. The good news is, with Webflow, this process becomes intuitive and even enjoyable. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to Webflow's main website. If you're not familiar, Webflow is a powerful tool for designing websites visually, and it is especially beloved by those who prefer a no-code solution. Once you're on the website, like any other service, you'll need to log in. Simply click on the Login button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your credentials, and you'll be directed to your personal dashboard. Now that we're inside the Webflow dashboard, take a moment to get acquainted with the interface. It's your central hub for all your projects and tools. At this point, you'll need to select an existing project that you're working on, or create a new one if you're just starting. For simplicity, let's click on an existing project. This will take you to your project's main workspace, where all the magic happens. Once you have your project open, look for the Add Elements panel. This is a crucial feature in Webflow that allows you to insert various design elements into your page. When you click on it, a menu will appear with a wide array of elements you can add to your project. From here, we are specifically interested in creating a header, so let's type header in the search bar atop the Add Elements panel. This will filter through the options and present you with various header designs and options that you can use. Click on the heading element that appears in the search results. Drag and drop this element onto your page where you want your header to appear. Now that the heading element is in place, you can start customizing it. Click on the heading to access its settings and play around with fonts, sizes, and colors to suit your design needs. And remember, the more personalized and thought out your header is, the more attention and impact it will have. That's essentially it. Adding a header in Webflow is that straightforward. But don't stop here. Explore further by integrating logos, navigation bars, or additional creative elements as you see fit. As you experiment, you'll gain more confidence in using Webflow's design tools. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Whether you're building a professional site or something for fun, a well-crafted header can make a real difference. Happy designing, and see you in the next video.